Oh, look at those cups. I don't think they've been cleaned at all.
Britannia Hotels claims it's enhanced cleaning during the pandemic. So our undercover inspectors are putting its hygiene measures to the test by checking into its Grand Burstin Hotel in Folkestone. Inside our room, and first impressions leave a lot to be desired, from stained towels to general signs of grubbiness. But a visual inspection isn't all we're doing. We're spraying a germ simulation fluid used by police for crime scene training on the bedsheets and towels, and sprinkling a similar solution used in NHS demos on the surfaces you'd regularly touch. The washable substance is invisible to the naked eye, but under UV light glows red. We checked out and booked the exact same room under a different name the next night. Time for the UV light test. Thankfully, we found no trace of the solution on our sheets or our towels. But the rest of the room is lit up like a Christmas tree, with many of the surfaces and objects you regularly touch glowing red. During the pandemic, Britannia claims it's enhanced its cleaning routine to ensure all bedrooms are freshly sanitised for each new guest. But all it takes to remove the germ simulation powder is a simple cleaning wipe. It's especially worrying when research suggests coronavirus can live on some surfaces for up to 72 hours. So it might come as no surprise to hear Britannia's rated the UK's worst chain for the 8th year running in Which Travels Hotels survey this year. We sent our findings to Britannia, who told us it's committed to providing a safe environment for visitors and has so far spent around £2 million on COVID precautions, but accepts there's more to do. For free insider tips, sign up to our Buy Smart newsletter. And for more travel advice, watch the video below. While you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.